Okay, what I'm going to show you today is what happens if you break one of these switches when you're out fishing, and how to go around it, how to go about it, how to get out of it. So if you've got one of these radios, FS-i6X, now these have been out for the last 18 months maybe, so many of you will have them. And you will all know that when the radio first starts, if you turn the radio off, to turn it back on again, all these four switches have to be in the up position, and the left hand lever has to be in the down position. If one of them is out of place, you'll get this warning and you won't be able to get past this situation. Now, the worst case scenario is if you break the switch which operates the hopper. Basically the boat is defunct, then you can't do anything. So if you're in this situation, your hoppers, for example, this is broken now. So we press and hold the OK button, and it lets us come into this menu. It's the auxiliary switches menu. And now switch A is the hopper one, which we've now deemed to be broken. We can use the up button there, and you can see that it's now turned off. What we're going to do, we're going to make the hopper button, the hopper release switch, SWB. So we press the OK button, we'll go over to B, press the up button, SWB on, SWA off, and now we press and hold the cancel button, and that will save the settings. So if we turn it back on now, even with this switch down or broken, you'll be able to get into the menu. Now what we have to do now is press the OK button and hold it to get into the menu, press the up button to get onto the right hand side, press OK, and then scroll down to the auxiliary switches, auxiliary channels, press OK. Now channel 5, we want to make that switch SWB. There we go. And channel 6, make sure that goes to switch D. Press and hold the cancel button to save. And if we go to display, press OK. Channel 5 controls the hopper, and we can see now that switch B is doing the work that switch A once did. And we just check channel 6 is controlled by SWD, and that's it. Gets you out the hole.